Hello friends, welcome back. This is Easy Stock Market, and yes, we are still taking a bashing when it comes to our investment portfolio. Unfortunately, we are all in the red and the total gain has now sunk into further abyss in this week and last week alone. Now in this video today, I'm going to tell you something different, and instead of doing a breakdown of a stock or a cryptocurrency like I always do, I will take my time and I'll talk about investing and my investment strategies for the next few months and my experience overall. Now trust me guys, when I say you can't always dollar cost average, sometimes you just need to lay back, sometimes you need to take a break and look for new companies, new opportunities, whether be it in the physical world like you are searching for a real estate investment or business investment opportunities, or even in the stock market or cryptocurrency itself. There might be something out there that potentially has a better opportunity to give you a higher or a better return than something that is already in your portfolio. Now, like they say, never catch off falling knives, and most of the stocks, they are falling at the minute. So here in my portfolio there are some stocks like Neo, Palantir, Tattoo Chef, where I don't see myself adding into more positions in these companies, not because the company is bad, but only since they already occupy a substantial amount of my portfolio. Of course, we have had bad news about them sometimes here and there, like Neo diluting more shares. We had this thing about a couple of days ago, Palantir losing some contracts, but there are some good news and some bad news along this investment journeys, and it does happen if you are investing in the long term. But overall, those are like my high growth companies which might give me a massive amount of gain in the coming years. So I won't be selling any of them anytime soon, but at the same time I won't be adding any new positions. I repeat, I won't be adding any new positions in these sort of companies. Then comes the almost giant companies like Tesla and Square, which have already done a nice bull run for me in the past years and have already given me nice returns on my investment. I think I will sell them, or at least slice my position into half if they double in price from here onwards. So let's say Tesla is at around 700 something at the minute. If it doubles to about 1400, 1500, I might sell all of my Tesla shares. Of course, there are a lot of good news coming out from these companies like Tesla and Share, but Square, my bad. But the way I see it is, I think I can get more return elsewhere, and the returns can be exponential in some cases if I'm God willing, if I'm lucky. The price in these companies like Tesla and Square are already too high, and if you check the market cap, they are already high as well. So there are less chances of it doubling or tripling or quadrupling, whatever it is, than some low cap gems over there. Then coming back to stocks like Hyliion, Workhorse and Lemonade, where I am hit the most. But bear in mind, I've already made about 3 times of my initial investment of realized profits in stocks like Workhorse and Lemonade, and I have made videos in the past about this already. But the thing is, I got back into them when the price crashed below 50%, and I've learned my lesson. It could go up to 90% as well from the all-time high. So I will close most of them when they reach the break-even positions. Maybe I will keep only a couple of company shares like Lemonade that have legitimately like good chance of coming back and performing well. Other stocks like Atosa Therapeutics and Senseonics etc. will also get closed if they give me 3 times on my initial investment. Now the question is, where will I be investing my money next, since I'll be liquidating so much positions from my portfolio? And the answer is, I will be investing them into cryptos and some new companies which I think has a great opportunity to give me a nice returns on my investment in the coming days. I'll be investing more of my money into low cap crypto gems like the Million token, Bittoken, Matic, etc., which has the possibility to give me 10x on my investment in the next few years. Then at the same time, I will be investing about 10% on other big players like Solana, Ethereum, etc., just because I have to get ready for transaction fees, gas fees, so-called gas fees at all times. Now I think that the crypto has already done a nice bull run for almost 1 year, and we might end up like the EV hype like we did last year. But the risk to reward is very tempting even at this point when it comes to some of these low cryptos. And guys, I think the world is ready to adapt to this new form of investment, a new asset, this DeFi thing. Finally, some of these penny stocks like Galaxy, Ion Digital, where I'm down heavy, I think I will use them to do my tax write-off for the next year. So what I'm planning to do is, I do not intend to keep them after April of 2022 next year. In this way, I will pay less tax on my capital gain from my stocks and my cryptos, and at the same time I will have more cash to invest into something better by liquidating them all. At least I can see some green in my portfolio for a change. Until then, I am Mr. Lamchaneygurung signing out. Like I always say, always think before you sink. That's the reason I have this plan for my investment as well. Goodbye, my friends.